I won't be the reason for Mr. Bittergaard's unhappiness. I will leave everything and go away. I will go away. It's our festival! Grandfather?
Are you going quietly, Mithai?
No. Why will I go quietly? No one is awake now. I was supposed to go after the festival. Yes.
Mithai, why are you going? Won't you tell your grandpa the truth? Did Siddharth said something? Yesterday, after you opened my eldest daughter-in-law's room, I know there was a misunderstanding between you both. Hey, but you please don't mind it, Mithai. That room carries hurtful memories of my grandson.
Who asked you to open my mother's room? Don't you know your boundaries? How dare you open her room?
No, grandfather, why would I mind? That is nothing. I'm going to meet my mother.
Why are you going alone then? Siddharth said that he will drop you.
No, that is no required. You know very well, Mithai has always traveled alone, and I will manage today as well. Please don't force Siddharth into this. It is not required. May I leave, grandfather? Listen, I will call you once I reach there, okay? You must stay safe, take your medicine on time. I will pray to the Lord for everyone's well-being. You all are so good people. People like you all can't be found easily. See you, grandfather. See you then.
Hey, my lord. I had hoped to bring them closer to each other during this festival. But that didn't happen. What do you want me to do, Lord? Please don't separate them. Please don't separate them.
Grandpa? Grandpa? Grandpa, I see you have 2 cars here and even Ratul's car is here. If it is okay, then I would like to leave, Grandpa. Actually, I have a lot of work. I mean, you won't have any problem with it, right?
No. We won't have any problem. You may go.
Grandpa, has anything happened?
Hey, Dad! Do you have any idea where Mithai is? I couldn't find her. Good morning, Sid.
Good morning, Uncle.
Dad, where is Mithai? You know, I need a strong tea in the morning.
Mithai is left from here.
What?
She has gone to her mother's place. As it is, she was supposed to go. But she went today itself.
But why suddenly, Dad? She just left without saying it to anyone. Besides, we have so many cars in our house, Dad. Any one of us could have dropped her off.
I will go back to Jonai. Trust me. Promise, I will go back. You don't have to say anything to anyone. I'll take the responsibility.
I hate this, Dad. You know the house feels empty without Mithai. And no one knows anything. Ridiculous. Lata! Hey, Deepu! Everyone is sleeping. The girl has left the house and nobody cares here. Hey, Shri!
Grandpa, why did she have to leave so suddenly? I don't understand. I didn't say anything to her, Grandpa.
Have I said anything to you, Siddharth? I think the two of you have already discussed this. When you had already left the house. Then, this is what I think. Mithai didn't tell me anything. And you say that you did not speak about it. But I think there is something between you both. And you want to hide that matter from me. Fine. That must be true. Are you not getting late, Siddharth? Don't stand there. You may leave. Can you drop Mithai home? Tell me, Siddharth. Will you drop the daughter-in-law of your family or not?
Grandpa, what was the need for her to go alone? I told her that I'll drop her, right? In fact, I told you also that I'll go and drop her. Then why did she do it? Grandpa, I did not ask anyone to leave.
That means Mithai left on her own. She used her mother's illness as an excuse to go. I was absolutely right. All right. But I'll never ask Mithai to come back. Never ever. Never ever. Never. Let me see. Let's see what happens in the end.
Uncle Sanatan, how are you?
Mithai. What happened? Why did you come alone from Kolkata? Where is your husband?
Why, uncle? I always used to come here. I used to go to Kolkata every day to sell Indian sweets. But there was no problem then. And now you are questioning me. Why did I come alone? Great.
Really? You haven't changed. You're still the same. Hey, look, that's your uncle. Look.
What? Uncle! Greetings, uncle. How are you? Hey, Gulti! I saw you after so many days.
Oh, my sister Mithai.
Yes?
Have you really come back to Jonai?
Mithai? How come you are here suddenly?
Mithai thought her uncle and Gulti will jump with joy when they see Mithai. But it seems no one loves me any longer.
Hold it. Listen.
Yes?
What are you saying? Don't you know that you are really precious for us? But why have you come alone here? Is there any problem in the house? No, I mean, your mother will ask you when she meets you. So that's why I'm asking.
Uncle, tell me, can't I come here to meet you? Mother is not well and she came back to Jona in the name of offering prayers. So I wanted to come, but I was not getting a chance to come here. There, we celebrated the Indian Festival of Colors. I told grandfather and came here.
Wow, that's amazing. I'll just go and inform Aunt.
Hey, don't rush. I was really scared to see you alone. Come, let's go home. Tell me which fish you want to eat. I'll bring it from the market. Come. Let's go home. Hey, Gulti, you will fall.
Oh Lord, please give me the strength so that I can explain everything to my mother. I will have to stay here.
Well, great. Everyone is ready. What is the use of staying here? Come on, let's go. Hey, Sid, you will go directly to the office, right?
Yes, uncle. But if you have any problem, then I can drop some of you. I mean, it's not an issue.
No, Siddharth. Leave it. We will manage it. But you should understand this, that we are really shocked because of what happened.
All of us enjoyed ourselves here together. And now will we go without mithai?
Nipa, I'm telling you, let's all go together and bring Mithai back.
Mithai went to meet her mother. At least, that is what she said. Hey, you be quiet. If she went to meet Auntie, then she would have informed us before going. Would she have left like this by informing Grandpa? Hey, Sid, tell me what happened.
Nanda, am I supposed to know who goes where? Am I supposed to know everything? Tell me. You better ask the person who left. Look, by the expressions on your face, it looks like you all feel that I said something to her, but let me be clear, I didn't say anything. And as usual, always assume that I am the culprit. Anyway, Uncle, I'm getting late. I'm leaving.
You learn to keep your mind calm first. No one is going to say anything to you. Go now. Go get ready. Go. And go safely.
Uncle? You were there, right? You saw how Siddharth misbehaved with Mithai? I say Mithai did the right thing by leaving. Had I been in her place, I would never come back. Shri, why are you talking like this? How will we live if Mithai doesn't come back? Tell me.
Nipa and Ratul's engagement is around the corner. Uncle, how will I explain this to my mother? I don't know. I'm really worried.
Auntie, come with me. See who has come. Who has come?
Mother!
Hey.
Mother! Oh,
When
Mother!
did you come? Seeing you after so many days. Look at her, my
Oh,
silly
Mother.
girl.
I saw you after so many days. I'm very
happy too.
Sister, tell me when did you come? How are you? Jilly, I'm fine. How are you? I'm good too.
Hey, listen.
Yes, yes.
Is there any problem or what? No, actually, you have come like this. Does Uncle know? Siddharth is aware?
Oh, Parvati, she's telling you that uncle knows about it.
What do you mean? Don't you trust me? Uncle, do you think I'm lying?
No, how can we trust you, Mithai? The way your uncle told me, I thought you were living like a royal princess. But nothing has changed really. Hey, Mithai, have they really accepted you as a family member yet or no?
Uncle, let me give you the phone. Wait. Let me take out grandfather's contact number. Call him and tell him that I have reached here. Ask him and see what he answers.
Call him and see what he's saying. You must be understanding. Mithai has just grown up, but she doesn't understand anything. Lord knows what's the problem. We won't know if anything happens. She has come here like this.
Yes, yes,
let's
but
go.
I don't know how to use it.
Take a look.
Shall I hold
What?
it?
Why would you put that bag on the bed? Hey, sister.
Yes?
Come here. Sit. Listen, I heard
What?
that you have a big house in Kolkata. And brother-in-law is very handsome. Unfortunately, I was not able to attend your marriage. Tell me, sister, my father has told me everything. And when aunt came, Gulti told me your in-laws' house is very big and have four cars. And he told me that they have AC also. And Gulti told me something else also.
What am I thinking, oh Lord? Why am I thinking? What relation do I have with Mr. Bittergaard?
Sister?
Yes.
Hey, sister. Tell me, sister. Father has told me everything. Mithai? Really? You're really a crazy girl. Uncle said that you came here just because you were missing me. He just told me that. Okay. Look at me. Look here. What is wrong with me that you had to rush here like this? I'm seeing you after so many days. I'm so happy, Mithai. I'm really very happy.
Now you're very happy.
Huh?
You leave me. I'll go today itself. I'm really very angry.
Oh, you are very angry. You will go back today?
No. No.
Mithai, my Mithai. Look, the engagement will take place in this house. But we want to conduct Ratul's engagement in Durgapur because there is no space in Rajiv's house. Actually, I have my colleagues and friends there and they are very close to us.
Shri,
Hmm.
if Mithai doesn't come, then I won't get engaged. You please tell everyone.
I'm really irritated with this situation. I really feel something is wrong. That day when I went to call Siddharth, Mithai was saying something. Mithai was saying that if she won't be there, there won't be any problem. But I couldn't hear it properly, so I didn't give any importance. Something is wrong.
Okay. Does auntie know that Mithai is not at home?
No. Mom doesn't know anything because brother Rajiv warned me. But without Mithai, we won't have any engagement ceremony. And same goes for me. I won't say anything.
Can't we have both of them get engaged here in this house? I mean, no, sister. You all take care of us so much. At least now give us the chance. Now give us the chance to take care of you all. Especially Mithai. There is no one like her. I don't see Mithai today. Where is she? Has she gone to the shop?
No, actually, Mithai has gone to Janoi, to her mother's place. She's gone for a few days.
Okay. You didn't tell me. We did not mention it as the topic did not come up. Will Mithai return before the engagement? I mean, she went even though she knew about Ratul and Nipa's engagement. Is her mother serious or something? No, there is nothing like that. No. Then what happened? Okay, where is uncle? I wanted to talk to him about something important.
Mom and dad have gone to the ashram, have gone to the holy place. They've gone there to listen to devotional songs. Even we are feeling bad because Mithai is not here. But you know what?
Rajiv? You didn't tell me this earlier. No, I mean, if Mithai is not there, then how can we organize any function for Ratul's engagement? When will Mithai come back? Auntie, please have something first.
Please.
To be honest, none of us know when will Mithai come back here. Actually, Grandpa told us that if anyone knows, then it is my brother. I think you should ask Siddharth once.
Siddharth, do you know when will Mithai come back? Hello, Tess. We are fixing the date of Nipa and Ratul's engagement. And the problem is, mother isn't agreeing to fix the engagement without Mithai.